rain showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Thursday night, a chance of rain showers until midnight. Mostly cloudy with a chance of snow showers.
Finally, GSP took literally forever. Also, this is an ice storm warning.
Significant icing expected from total ice accumulations of 1/10 to 4/10. Star on the Christmas right. One of the lower Piedmont of upstate South Carolina from midnight Saturday night to midnight Eastern Standard Time Sunday night. Travel can be nearly impossible. Heavily scattered power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice and gusty winds. On Friday, January 14th. At Rock Hill,
This is my WR300 and 262's first winter storm warning.
Dew point 29, and the relative humidity 34%. The wind was north at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.90 inches and steady.
Alright, well, we gotta wait for everyone else to tone.
Miles an hour. Saturday night, cloudy. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain likely after midnight. Snow and sleet accumulation around it. Saturday to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday.
Well, goddamn. Oh. Wow, nice. Zone boards first.
Elsewhere in North Carolina, it was 51 at Hickory. It was sunny with a temperature of 54 at Shelby, 54 at Statesville, 57 at Wilmington, and 45 at Asheville. At Fayetteville, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 50.
Here we go. Ooh! They toned those.
Midnight Saturday night to midnight Sunday night for heavy mixed precipitation. And snow accumulations are expected across much of the remainder of the Carolina Piedmont, including much of Charlotte and vicinity. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles at 1/4 to 1/2 inches.
They tone those. They tone those. Well, that was chaotic. And we got some more firsts. I believe everyone here has gotten it. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Public cap Amber Alerts. Public cap Amber Alerts. I repeat.
This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction. And Durham Police Department is searching for Andrew. Durham Police Department is searching for Andrew Zachariah Hall. Andrew Hall is a 9-year-old black male, approximately 4 feet tall, weighing 65 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Andrew Hall is approximately a white t-shirt with black collar. The abductor, Khadijah Georgia Ann Hall, is an approximately 18-year-old with North Carolina registration of She has long braided orange and blonde hair. She has long braided. If you have any information regarding North Carolina registration of HJK 3628. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Durham Police Department immediately. Durham Police Department immediately or call 911. This is an Amber Alert.
Wow. Haven't seen one of those in ever, actually. That's my first public cap Amber Alerts. Alright, well this might actually modify relays. Maybe. Oh. They actually relayed from FM.